Hi, I'm Ron Pinkerton, but you probably knew that by now. This is the last in a series of 8 videos about upgrading Oracle SOA Suite to version 12.1.3. There's just a few more things to do to complete our upgrade, and those things are the subject of this video. Recall that when we installed the 12.1.3 Fusion middleware infrastructure, we established a new Oracle home for 12c. This new directory structure includes administrative tools, such as test-to-production utilities, and composite deploy, compile, and package utilities. However, the domain was upgraded in place. That means that domain-related components, such as the scripts to start and stop WebLogic server, are still found in the original domain folder. The specific tasks that you'll need to perform after your upgrade will vary according to your environment and which components you have installed. We've listed a few tasks that are pretty common. You may recall that in the Performing Pre-Upgrade Tasks video, we suggested you tune your test environment. You'll now want to tune your SOA infrastructure, applying the settings you determined during that testing. As we described in the Pre-Upgrade Tasks video, changes made before an upgrade to the set domain env script or any other startup script will be overwritten by new regenerated scripts during the domain reconfiguration process. Consider creating a set user override script to store your domain customizations. You can read more about this option in the document listed on screen. If you're unable to create the set user override script before your upgrade, you'll need to reapply your settings as described in Reapplying Customizations to Set Domain ENV in the Upgrading SOA Suite and Business Process Management Guide. The upgrade process also doesn't preserve file ownership and permissions, so you'll want to review them and modify as necessary. Even after purging unused instance data as a pre-upgrade task, the migration of your closed instance data may not yet be complete. The unmigrated closed instances won't be visible in Oracle Enterprise Manager and won't be available for reporting. If you want to wait until the data migration completes, you can monitor its progress, as we'll see shortly. But if minimizing downtime is a priority, you can restart your servers. When you restart WebLogic server, the background migration of closed instances stops. You can then schedule the data migration during off-peak hours and monitor its progress at that time. To monitor and configure the upgrade of closed instances, navigate to the folder you see listed on screen. Invoke SQL+, supplying your SOA infra schema owner and password. Then call the SOA upgrade menu.sql script to display the upgrade administration options. The first 6 of those options are shown here. You can use option 1 to determine if the upgrade is complete, and use option 5 to schedule when the background process runs. With the migration of closed instances handled either by allowing the background process to complete or scheduling it when it's most convenient, it's time to restart our servers and make sure everything's working properly. First, we start the admin server. Recall that in our system, the startup script is in the domain folder, which is in the 11G folder structure, but the script now points to the 12C Oracle home. We're using a node manager for each of our hosts, and during the upgrade, we reconfigured these node managers to reside in the domain structure, so that's where we'll find our startup scripts. With the administration server and node manager started, we can now bring up the WebLogic Server Administration console to start the managed servers. Notice the console displays the new release number in the lower left corner. When we examine our applications, we find these newly upgraded instances accessible and active. So that's it. We've completed the upgrade and our applications are back online. For more information on post-upgrade tasks, be sure to read Upgrading SOA Suite and Business Process Management and Upgrading to the Oracle Fusion Middleware Infrastructure 12c, along with specific upgrade documents related to your components. I hope these videos have given you a high-level understanding of the upgrade process and that they'll serve you well as you read the documentation and begin to plan your own upgrade project. I'm Ron Pinkerton, and in case I've forgotten to mention it, thank you for your time and attention.